Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and sweet potatoes are a common dish, but they're usually topped with marshmallows. So let's try a healthier version today. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we believe that eating healthy does not have to be boring or tasteless. Today we're going to be making apple pecan sweet potatoes. Let's begin by peeling 3 large sweet potatoes. Then, using a sharp knife, cut off the ends and chop into about 1-inch size chunks. You can cook them one of 2 ways. First, add the potatoes to a large pot, cover them with water by a few inches, add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, bring it to a boil, and then cook until your potatoes are softened, about 15 to 20 minutes. Or spread them onto a baking sheet, drizzle with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, toss to coat, and bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 30 minutes or until softened. Baking them will definitely bring out more flavor, but either way will work great. Place your cooked potatoes into a large mixing bowl. To your cooked sweet potatoes, add in 2 tablespoons of either butter, ghee, which is clarified butter, coconut oil, or your favorite butter substitute. 1/4 cup of either coconut or date sugar for a little bit of sweetness. So for a less sweet version, you absolutely can omit this completely. Now for some spices. I have 1½ teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and last 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Using a fork, potato masher, or hand mixer, combine all of your ingredients together until smooth, or until you reach your desired consistency. I like to leave a few chunks. Spread your mashed potatoes into a casserole dish. The larger the dish, the thinner the potatoes will spread out. I'm using a 7x12. Now for our topping. Peel and slice up either 1 large or 2 small apples and place them into a bowl containing 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. Toss your apple slices in the syrup and then arrange them on top of your mashed potatoes in any pattern you'd like. Last, take 1/2 cup of chopped up pecans and add them to the leftover maple syrup. Toss them to coat and then spread them over top of your apples. I added another sprinkle of cinnamon. Bake in a 300-degree preheated oven until your apples are cooked, about 15 to 20 minutes. This smells so good. I smell the cinnamon and the apple and the sweet potato. So now all that's left is to give it a taste. I'm just going to dig right into the casserole dish right here. I don't know what to say. It is so good. It's this buttery, sweet, appley, a little bit of sweet potato flavor in there with some cinnamon and spices. Goodness, oh my, it is delicious. So much better for you than marshmallows. So much better tasting than marshmallows in my humble opinion. I hope you do give this one a try. Thanks for being with me today. We have so much to be grateful for, especially good health. Take great care of yourself this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.